Firstly, mark your start and stop points so they are the same on both skis. Remember, you only need to remove the tip and tail sections. Then adjust the 100mm Panzer file so it contacts the top sheet. Just like using a file guide, pull the top sheet remover towards you in smooth, even passes. Pay close attention to how much you're taking off. You want to avoid going so deep that you contact the steel edge. To achieve a finer finish, remove the center screw and Panzer file, attach the trigger clamp, and switch to a regular cut 10 side edge file. If you prefer the finest finish, test cut 14, 15, or 16 files, or even better, wrap 200 to 1000 grit silicone carbide sandpaper around your file like this, taking passes until both the angle and smoothness of the top sheet and sidewall are to your liking. The top sheet remover can be rolled if you prefer a little more than the recommended 70 degrees it's set at. If you wish to do this, be sure you're applying even, consistent pressure on the radius with your passes, and roll the file away from the edge. The side cut top sheet remover can also be used to precisely cut the titanol or metal layer between the edge and the sidewall, making it easier on your files to create the perfect edge. Simply adjust the angle of the file and remember that using a backlight will make it easier to do a professional job. Designed to apply the correct profile to your skis or board, it quickly solves the problem of your file guide getting interfered with by the top sheet. It comes with a unique slotted Panzer file that can be easily micro-adjusted to remove the top sheet of any ski or board. It's constructed of high-grade stainless steel, giving it a great feel and weight in your hands. Best of all, it eliminates the stressful need to freehand this job with only a file.